Hello everyone, welcome on my channel. In this video we are going to install grill light on Toyota Tacoma. I have a grill lights here and hood is open ready to go. Before we install lights or you order lights, there's a couple things you need to understand. First of all, you need to see what kind of a grill you have. If you have a rafter grill, I believe you can buy a little bit cheaper because these lights comes with some kind of other mounting so they can fit over here. So these are a little bit expensive, but the rafter grill, you just buy only the lights. If you see like this arrow, only the inside part. And there's also multiple color. You can buy white, blue, and other color. I prefer to have a yellow, like amber color. I like this one. So I have a 4 lights. We are going to install 4. The another thing you need to know where you're going to install. I'm going to install here on the top row. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can install here. You can install over here too, but you cannot install here. So that's you need to figure it out. I will install on the top. These lights, they have to go on the certain spot. You cannot put this light here, neither this light over here, because if you see the angle, this one perfect angle, this one and this one is not. So the lights going to be in a certain place. First we are going to separate the lights, and we're gonna be leaving the lights the way it's gonna go. It also comes with the wire harness and also comes with the 2 fuse and ground connector goes over there ready to go. You don't need to buy anything. You don't need any tools. Only if you are going to use zip ties to tie, then you need just a wire cutter or something to cut the zip tie. Now first I'm gonna organize the way it's gonna go, then we will start installing. I will show you how to mount here. So I have left the light the way it's gonna go. I show you what is different. You can see this light is like no corner angle anything, and this light have a little bit bigger cut on this side, and this light have a bigger cut on this side, and that light same like on the side. So here this light go like this way. So really simple. I'm gonna install one light. So we're gonna hold this light, we're gonna put up, then it will clip from here. You see this clip will hold here to the grill. So I'm gonna go behind, put my hand in, and I have a hold the light up. Here we go. It just little snap. And second thing we're gonna do here, then we're gonna follow the same steps. We're gonna install those grill lights first. I have a mounted grill lights already. Now next thing is wiring, but before I do the wiring, I'm gonna show you how I have a mounted. If I can show you one close, say this one here, this one I tack it the top first, then I push this clip. You see this lip holding this one. Now we have a 4 connectors here, and wire harness have same kind of connectors. These one doesn't matter. You can connect any one to any light. We're gonna run wire through here. We have to bring it here next to the battery to the fuse box. I'm gonna run and then we'll talk here where we're going to connect. I have a connected one light already. The next one I'll show you. I have this kind of a plug, and another hand I have this one. You simply push in. It's gonna go only one way, and it's really watertight. And we're gonna follow the same step. We're gonna connect all the lights here, then we will run wire through and put some zip ties. Now I have a ran wire here close to the fuse box, and this one we're gonna open the fuse box and make some connections. There's a little push tab you will open. There's 3. You have to open at least 2 at the same time, and remove this box, and you can flip it. When you flip it, you will see all map here. We are going to use one of the fuse here. Is called 10 amp. You will see here. You see those 3. Not this one. This one is a 10A HLP RHLO. We are going to use this one. Anytime our headlights are going to be turned on, those lights are going to be turned on. So that's our whole fuse box. The way we see those 3 fuses on the bottom. We are going to use this one third. You see those three? This one 20 amp. We're not going to use this one. We are going to use this one, red one, all the way on the last 10 amp. For this one, you notice here there's one of the tool. You're gonna grab this one and you can take this fuse out. Push and hold it, put it on side. Lights I have bought, they comes with already two fuses, 10 amp, one for the headlamp. The one we removed, gonna replace that one, the other one for the lights. First we're gonna make a connection this side. They're just the push connectors. We still gonna be maintain some little bit more, put a tape on, and then we will connect to this side. We also need to make a ground connection. As you see, there's two. This will goes here and this will go to the ground. There's a ground wire already. You can lose this one, we can tack it in. First I'm going to connect ground wire and lose them up. Pushed in. Now we're gonna tighten this bolt. So this wire is tight right now. So now we have a connected ground wire. Time to connect 12 volt. This plug, this one just pushed pin, and this side have a plastic and this side of plastic will be overlapping. That will be enough. But if you want to do more better job, then we can put shrink tubing or just tape on it. But I'm gonna leave it like that right now. So we don't want to make video longer, and we will test after that. I will make it permanent. As you see, the fuse I have removed, this piece will go at the fuse we have removed. This is gonna go simply in. Just make sure it's all the way in. Now we are going to test our lights. Then this wire, there's no room to run wire outside. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna put a wire like that and put the cover like that. We have to just pinch a little bit, but it's not gonna do nothing. So now next part, we're gonna test our lights, and then we're gonna put cover back. Make sure all the wire is organized. That's all we have to do the next part. So now I will turn on those headlamps and see how those lights comes out. So now, as you can see, now my headlamps are on and those lights comes on. I'm gonna turn off my headlamps and see those lights are gonna turn off. So headlamps are off and lights are off. I'm also gonna test one more thing. I'm gonna put those lights on auto mode and start my engine, see how it goes. So now our headlights on and our grill lights are on too. They're gonna look a lot bright at night. Even like a daylight, they still look a lot brighter than the headlamps. As you can see, the headlamps are on, but you barely can see them. So I also will show the night at the night time how they look after this one. But as the installation wise and everything we done so far, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. See you in next video with the new topic.